So hey awesome ones, today I want to bring you some clothing pieces and also give you some tips how to elevate your look so you look like you spent a fortune even though you might be on a budget. So I'm really excited to show this to you, and what I really want you to feel is when you look in the mirror to go, hey, I look good. Anyway, I can't wait to show you this video. It all starts in just a few seconds. And stay tuned till the end of this video because I have a big announcement to make. If you've ever wanted to chat with me and be part of a live session, well, I'm going to be doing that. And we're not only going to be chatting, but we're going to be browsing some fashion too. So I'll have that announcement near the end of the video. Now let's get started with tip number one, and tip number one is the classic shirt. You can't go wrong with a classic shirt, especially if it's a crisp white one, or also, you know, the striped ones look really, really nice now with a lot of blazers. And of course, don't forget to put in some color there. And here's another one that's in purple. And for tip number two, let's take a look at the blazer. Now, blazers these days for fall, you can wear them in a shorter version like this, or you could also wear them in a longer version such as this one. And don't forget to bring out the colors. I mean, the blazers look great in all different kinds of colors, and they look great with skirts or pants or even jeans. And talking about jeans, that's my third tip. And jeans can still make you look elegant and classy. I would just suggest that you wear a darker wash, also that you don't have one that's rolled up at the bottom, and also no distressing. Let's have a nice clean pair of jeans that look a lot more elegant. And as most of you know, my favorite jeans are the stretchy Lee jeans, and that's what I'm showing here. And you can, I'm going to put a lot of the links to the items that I'm showing you, to most of them anyway, in the comments and also in the description. And by the way, if you're kind of liking these videos, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there. And also click on the bell so you'll be notified when my videos are out. And guess what? I'm like that close to the 100,000 subscribers. Yay! And thanks so much to all of you who have subscribed. It really means the world to me. Now, where was I? Oh yeah, tip number four. Tip number four is to add a material to your wardrobe that's kind of silky or satiny, like this striped top here. It's beautiful, beautiful material. It's available from Amazon. Or you could also add a silky or satiny camisole like this one, and it looks fantastic underneath a blazer. And for tip number five, let's talk about scarves, because scarves can just bring up a whole look of an outfit. Take a look at this white and black polka dot scarf with a kind of plain white and black shirt and blazer. It really, really uplifts it. And you could also have a longer scarf to change a look. And yes, animal print scarves are still trending. Just don't do all animal. Just have a little touch here and there. And for number six, let's talk about number six now, and that's to buy a trend. You want to know that you're kind of with it, and these vests are really, really trending like right now, and this rust one is perfect. It's absolutely perfect for the fall, and it comes in lots of other colors as well. And number seven is to wear a cool pair of sunglasses. Think breakfast at Tiffany's. But the pair that I really like are the Wayfarers, you know, the Ray-Ban Wayfarers. And I found a pair, I know I've mentioned them before, but they fold up. So I can take them in almost any size purse. I absolutely love them. And if that's a little bit higher than you wanted to spend, there's lots of other styles of sunglasses. I would suggest that you get the polarized one because they protect your eyes, I think, a little bit better. All right, so number eight. Number eight is wear a nice pair of gloves. Now, these ones that I'm showing, they are leather gloves, but you don't have to buy leather these days. A lot of times the faux leather gloves, they look just as nice. And number nine, I would really suggest that you get the trending trench coat, which did it really ever go out of style? I don't think so. And this one here is from Calvin Klein. I love it. It's really terrific. It looks sharp, but also it has a hood on the back, because we all know that in the fall, a lot of times the weather is changing. You go out the door and by noon it's raining, and this is a great asset to your wardrobe. And talking about coats, I would be remiss if I didn't mention the camel coat again. So classic. It doesn't even matter if you're going to the gym. Wearing this camel coat, it just looks absolutely très chic and très élégant. And number 10 is to, if you really want to look elegant, stick to the solid colors. You know, it doesn't matter whether you're wearing all neutrals or maybe some pastels, but a lot of times when we go with these flashy kind of florals like this one, or a flashy kind of pattern, it just doesn't look as elegant and chic as something that is just a little bit more, well, not all one color, but just sticking to the solid colors. And number 11 is, of course, the go-to little black dress. We all need one of those for special occasions and even some not so special occasions. But here I am in actually a navy dress, and I love this dress. It's available in all different kinds of colors, and I love the ruching around the tummy as well because, well, it kind of hides my tummy. All right, and I mentioned to you that I'm going to be talking about the chat and the live and the browsing for fashion that's coming up. Also, in just a few seconds, I'm also going to put a little bit of a montage together for you of some of these classic, elegant looks and how I wear them. But let's talk about number 12. Number 12 is wear your confidence. Now, I actually did a video on this, and I'm going to put it on the end screen of this video so you can take a look at it. But it is so important. You need to get dressed up, and you need to look in the mirror, and you have to say, I look great. And also, I'm an older, wise woman, and I'm still relevant, because you are relevant. And I want you to feel so good about yourself at any age, and know that you can still rock this world with a little bit of elegance and style. And that's one of the main reasons why I'm here, to give you the message of confidence. Hey, I know we're all kind of bombarded with all of these skinny models and, you know, fashions that will never fit us. But also these days we have more poster women like Helen Mirren and Jane Fonda. And for a lot of us, they're like decades older than we are. So let's go out there and as I said, let's rock this world, because we can be the poster, I don't want to say poster, the poster person anyway, for our daughters, for the younger generations. I mean, these other women are doing it, let's do it too. And here is the montage of a few little outfits that I promised you. And just after that, I'm going to have that big announcement about the live and the chat. So here's the big announcement. So how would you like to chat with me and go browsing for fashion? Well, Amazon has given me a place where I can go live with you, and I'm so excited. I get to actually talk to a lot of you, and all you have to do is go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, and I'll be there every Wednesday night at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or Eastern Standard Time, and I'm really trying to be there every single Wednesday for you, so I'll be on that page. And what we're going to do is we're just going to chat about, various things, not just all fashion. I'm going to throw some makeup and other things in there, but it should be fun. So again, that's amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, Wednesdays at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And until we meet again, I really want you to have that confidence to feel très chic and très elegant, no matter what your budget. And of course, keep it awesome.